Aloha. I'm Andy. In this video, I will make a speed test for the Patriot Burst 120GB SSD with 1GB versus 16GB file. In my last video, I made a benchmark with 1GB versus 8GB file. The SSD is a Patriot Burst 120GB SSD. The product code for this SSD is PBU120GS25SSDR. I'm curious how will perform this SSD, because in the official datasheet says, and I'm quoting, Burst offers transfer speeds at up to 560 MB per second read and 540 MB per second write speeds to eliminate bottlenecks. The test is made on SATA 3, the SSD is empty and the operating system is on the Kingston SSD. In the left side we see the test with 1GB file and in the right side we see the test with 16GB. Every test is made for 5 times, because this will take a long time. I speed up the video at 1.5 of the real time. In the reading test we don't see much discrepancy, but in the write section is a big discrepancy, sometime is even 5 times slower the 16GB file speed, than the 1GB file speed. Unfortunately this SSD does not meet the marketing speeds, nor in reading, nor in writing test. I have to give a thumb down for this product and my advice is to avoid this SSD. Thank you for watching. If my video was helpful, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.